Okay students, the next concept is different types of diseases. Okay, diseases are of two types. Diseases are of two types. Two types of diseases. One is infectious diseases. Infectious diseases and non-infectious diseases. Infectious diseases and non-infectious disease. What do you mean by infectious diseases? Diseases that spread from one person to another person. Diseases that are transmitted from one person to another person are called as infectious diseases. The best example, corona, COVID-19, okay, it is infectious disease. Typhoid, infectious disease. Malaria, infectious disease. Even AIDS, infectious disease. AIDS, malaria, all these diseases, they spread from one person to another person. Those diseases are called as infectious disease. Now just opposite of that, non-infectious disease. The disease that does not spread from one person to another person. The diseases that do not spread from one person to another person, that do not transmit from one person to another person are called as non-infectious. Best example is cancer. Cancer will not get spread from one person to another person. Diabetes. Diabetes will not spread from one person to another person. Okay. So these diseases are called as non-infectious disease. When we speak of infectious diseases, generally infections are by pathogens. Infections are by pathogens. Infections are by pathogens. What are pathogens? Disease causing microorganisms are called as pathogens. Disease causing microorganisms are called as pathogens. There are various pathogens. Okay. Now for our syllabus, the different pathogen and the disease caused by them that we have to study. Say for example, bacteria. Bacterial disease is caused by bacteria. Then viral disease, fungal disease, protozoan disease, bacterial disease, viral disease, fungal disease, protozoan disease. Bacterial disease. Okay, I'll take one example for time being. Okay, say typhoid. Even you can give example of pneumonia. Viral disease, common cold. Even we can give example of AIDS. Fungal disease, ringworm disease. Ringworm disease. Protozoan disease, malaria. Even you can give example for amoebiasis, amoebic dysentery. Okay. Even there are helminths which cause diseases. Helminths. Ascalminthus and platyhelminthus. Helminthus. Which example you can give? Here you can give example of elephantiasis. Which is caused from filarial worm. Ascariasis, which is caused from roundworm. So all these are the diseases caused by one or the other pathogen, and these diseases causing agent, the symptoms, all these things we have to study in detail one by one.